Welcome to Shisha practical session. We will discuss about Today we will discuss about the introduction to Visual Studio. The Visual Studio is IDE used for the developing of web applications, Windows applications and console applications. The Windows applications are nothing but the desktop applications. For example, Notepad, Microsoft Office, PowerPoint. Even Visual Studio is also a desktop application. Okay, the next is the web applications. The web applications are nothing but which runs with help of the browser called as web application. For example, www.facebook.com, www.archive.com. In simple way, we can say that websites. And finally, the console applications which runs on the console window called as console application. We will discuss about the console application in later session. So let me switch to the Visual Studio. Okay, when you run the Visual Studio, you will see the start page. The start page contains the latest news related to the .NET development, learning and community resources. At the bottom here, we have two options. Both are checked. Close page after the page load, and the other one is show page on start. What is this close page after the project load? Close page after the project load means if you load project, it will close the start page. If you load project, it will close the start page. And the second option is show page on startup. When you open the Visual Studio, it will show a start page. Now we are in start page, so this is called as start page. Okay, so let me explain how to create the first project in Visual Studio. Just go to the file, create new project. Okay, in this window, see here left side, the programming languages are supported by the Visual Studio. It will show the programming languages supported by the Visual Studio. First one is Visual Basic, second one is C# and CPP and C#, and so on. Okay, so these are the programming languages supported by the Visual Studio. So we will go for the C#. Okay, if you click on the C#, it will show the variety of applications. Here first one is Windows Form application, WPF application, console application, ASP.NET application, and so on. Okay, so today we'll go for the console application. By default, if you choose this console application, the by default name of the console application 1 is console application 1. You can change it to simple. Okay, so here the name of the project is simple and location of the project is Yap Drive. You can change it, no, not an issue. And the solution name is simple. Okay, so just click OK. Okay, see here. So this is the solution. The name of the solution is simple, and even project name also is simple. The difference between the solution and simple is solution contains the multiple projects. No, the solution simple is only one project, that is simple. Okay, in solution we can add another project with help of the just right click on the solution, add new project. Here console application 1. Okay, so here in solution we have two projects. One is the console application 1 and another one is simple. Okay, so inside the projects we have the file, that is program, which is auto generated C# code, and the main method. Here look at here, the file name and class name should be same. Look at the program here, the class name is also program and file name also program, and the extension of the C# file is .cs, program.cs. So this is about the bit introduction about the Visual Studio. In next program we will learn about Hello World program, how to create how to do hello world program in C#. Thank you.